I'm Lloyd, and I build space robots. This is where I work. This is a place where we build flight hardware and spacecraft. The Cryobot works as a melter. The plan behind the Cryobot is to launch it to an icy moon or planet where it will melt into the surface of the ice, descending into the subsurface of that ice by taking pictures, taking samples, and then understanding the data and sending that data back to Earth. When I was growing up, people saw the spark of me being an engineer when I was building furniture and chairs out of Lego, and my family were using them to sit in. Engineering is the science of taking things apart and putting them together. This is Legos and Tinker Toys on steroids. Looks like we have good head pressure here. You have individual parts and you have individual pieces, and they all assemble together in a certain fashion to be able to create a product that you will use. A day in the life of an engineer for me is quite exciting, because no 2 days are ever the same. They're always different. And so each day brings a new set of problems and concerns. Some days I'll be working in the lab, and some days I might be on an ice cap somewhere. The Norway test is a way to be able to test in a glacier ice. The glacier ice is more of a real kind of ice that exists in a field where there might be sediments and other contaminants in the ice. And it's essential for us to understand how the Cryobot will behave and be able to deal with those difficult problems as it begins to melt and descend through the ice.
Cold ice, baby. Cold.
What we hope to achieve with this research is to learn about the universe and to see if we can find life in other places besides our Earth. My passion for space and science emerged because it is the final frontier. And so working in space has been exciting for me because it's always going to be new, it's always going to be fresh. And being an engineer is probably the greatest thing you can ever do, because you'll be able to build something, and that something that you've built may last for a lifetime. And that's kind of exciting because you get to leave a legacy behind.
One world spinning through the night. It's a new world I see when I'm looking at you.